Alright, here we are back in my testing room. I got almost all of the confetti and paper out of the bowels of my testing room. So I got a little smaller test today with 2 cordless vacuums. This one is the DEENKIE vacuum. I got it from a thrift store, Goodwill, I think. And this one is, I got brand new. It's a new Shark Detect Pro cordless vacuum. So I'm going to trade cordless vacuum with this mess and see which one does better. They each have different suction levels. This one has a minimum and maximum. This Shark has Booster, Eco, and Detect is the main one. Although I'm not going to use Detect for this mess since I will be cheating. So I'm just going to use Eco and Boost for that one. And then maximum for that one. So it can be a good comparison and test. Alright, so let's get started with this one. So with this DEENKIE, I'm going to do a forward and backward pass in minimum mode first. Then I'm going to do one in maximum mode. They're pretty good. More flies right here. And I'll try boost mode. So if I had to rate which one did the best, I would say the Shark did the best since it has the most cone passes. So I'm going to try the rest of this mess. Okay. Okay. Subscribe, like, and peace.